Hi, my name's Jared I'm currently the head scheduler at Take Flight Aviation. My journey in aviation started in a high school program called BOCES with Warwick Valley High School. I used all of my hours and I finished up my private right after the program during my freshman year of college. I was going to a different university in the city at that time. I transitioned to the Utah Valley University through a partnership program with Take Flight Aviation.
Hi, I'm Bryghton. I'm a student at Take Flight Aviation. I did just get my private pilot's license. I did the BOCES program. I did the BOCES program for 2 years, the end of 10th grade to the end of my senior year in high school. And then I ended up where I am now, doing my private, and now I'm going on to instrument at Take Flight. I chose the Purdue Global program because I saw it as a way for me to do my flight training in college, not as one thing combined, but I can work together through the two programs. Every single time I get a license or a certificate, I would get credits that would transfer. Just like if I was in a normal aviation college, I can stay at home for college. I can also fly here and do all my classes online.
It made it easier for me to continue on my training as a professional pilot due to the fact that the program was asynchronous, meaning they posted the entirety all of the coursework for the entire semester. So if I wanted to knock out a week to 2 weeks to 3 weeks worth of assignments, I could do that, and it gave me more time to get my instrument in a more efficient manner as well.
Normal colleges will be like 4 years, but you can get the Purdue Global program done in about 2.5 years, and I'm already on course with that.
I would just say know how to manage your time effectively. It's as long as you're staying on top of your ground material that's offered by your flight school, your online ground school course, as well as obviously your studies in the online college program, you're fine. You just have to piece it into different segments throughout the day, whether it be aviation related studies for both your flight school and your flight course in college, and studies not related to aviation like history or math. As long as you break your day into pieces, you can definitely thrive within the online college program, I would say.
So I've flown Pipers and Cessnas before. I've seen the differences between the Diamonds, and I personally prefer the Diamonds just because of how much newer the planes are, and also the glass cockpit. Glass cockpit time is a very big thing in aviation. It'll get you used to the glass cockpits so that when you go professional, you're already seeing the same things. There's nothing to relearn, whereas some other flight schools might have just the normal steam gauges. It's good to have that updated technology in a flight school. I've never met anyone here that's judgmental or anything like that. Even if you don't know the first thing about aviation, when you walk in these doors, you can ask someone questions or get information about anything, and people will always be nice to you here. It's not a harsh environment. You're not going to get treated like a high schooler.
My future plan specifically is I want to obtain my commercial pilot certificate as well as my multi-engine rating. And then from there, my dream in all honesty is to apply for a guard slot and fly for the military and active duty. If not that, I would love to go to the airlines, fly for, let's say, Envoy Airlines or Republic.
So I personally always had an interest in the aviation. I wasn't always looking for a career in aviation, but BOCES did spark my interest in aviation because when I did join the BOCES program, I got a chance to fly planes here at Take Flight Aviation and also get ground training at BOCES. So with that, I really did open my eyes to where I could go with aviation. Also meeting new people like instructors and stuff is also really good for understanding if you want to do this as a career, professionally, long-term, or just do the BOCES program short-term.